Hello, hi JVNs. Namaste. My name is Asif Ali, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic, Jyoti Vidyapit, Women's University, Jaipur. Topic is BMFT, Barium Male Floor Throw. Barium examination. The study called because it is performed following barium meal for evaluating patient with suspect small bowel abnormality. For evaluating patient with suspect small bowel abnormality, small bowel ileocecal junction. Small intestine is the longest part of alimentary canal. Extend from pylorus of stomach ileocecal joint. Length 6 meter and diameter 4 to 2.5 centimeter. 4 to 2.5 centimeter. Anatomical subdivision: duodenum, jejunum, ileum. Duodenum, C-shaped tube, 25 cm long, width 4 cm. Barium technique. BMFT indications: abdominal pain and diarrhea. Abdominal pain and diarrhea. Abdominal pain and diarrhea. Small bowel obstruction. Small bowel obstruction. Cons disease. Nasogastric tube and malabsorption anemia, gastrointestinal bleeding and abdominal mass. Contraindications: chronic obstruction, suspect perforation, paralytic ileus. Contrast media: medium density barium suspension, 50 to 60% water per volume. Suspending agent to prevent: high density barium, 200 to 250%, may produce in appearance of fold, thickening and clumping of small bowel. Acid barium sulfate suspension may produce small enlarged fold and dilation of duodenum and jejunum. Alkaline barium sulfate suspension improve coating of valve and improve diagnostic accuracy. It is usually mixture of any flavor. Why barium use? It is an insoluble material. It is an insoluble material. It is high density and high atomic number, like 56. It provides a positive contrast. It provides a positive contrast in X-ray. It provides a positive contrast in X-ray. It is radiopaque. It is radiopaque material. Is not absorb. It not absorb. Is eliminate intact from the body. Is eliminate intact from the body. Alkaline barium sulfate suspension improve coating. Why iodine is not used? Is water soluble, diminishes blood volume. Preparation: purgative, Dulcolax 2 tablet. Not in suspect obstruction, acute con, ileostomy. Low roughage, high fluid intake diet. 48 hours period. No food and fluid should be taken for 12 hours before investigations. No antispasmodics, codeine, tranquilizers, 24 to 48 hours period. Barium flow through examination. This is performed following a barium meal examination of the esophagus, stomach and duodenum. As the barium column progresses through the small intestine, large radiographs of the abdomen are taken at interval. First one is taken with the patient supine about 15 minutes after the barium meal and show the proximal jejunum. The remaining radiographs are normally taken at half-hourly interval with the patient prone. When the barium column reaches the cecum spot, view of the terminal ileum are taken. Dedicate small bowel flow through single contrast technique, barium 50 to 60% and amount 600 to 900 ml. Drink as rapidly as possible. To right lateral position 15 to 20 minutes, then prone filming done every 15 to 20 minutes until ileocecal junction opacification not. To demonstrate ileocecal junction, supine right is best as ileum enter cecum always empty the bladder prior to this spot film. First positioning right side down dependent purpose to aid gastric emptying. Second prone position to separate bowel loops, and third right side up to visualize IC junction. Advantage: easily performed, no cauterization, physiologic transit time can be assessed. Disadvantage: overlapping of barium-filled bowel loops in pelvis, poor distension, partial or intermittent bowel obstruction, operator dependent, time consuming. Complication: leakage of barium from unsuspect perforation and aspiration. Impact: barium convert partial obstruction into complete obstruction. Barium appendicitis infection at again. Complications: leakage of barium from unsuspect perforation, aspiration. Impact: barium convert partial obstruction into complete obstruction. Barium appendicitis infection at apex. Thank you.